We continue with our translations. Number 3. The difference of twice a number and m is the same as 5 times m less 13. We look at the first part. The difference tells me I want to subtract something, and I'm looking for both parts here. Twice a number would be 2, I'm going to call it n, and m. So twice Nacho and Monkey. The difference of twice a number and m is the same as, means equals, 5 times m. That's a literal translation, 5m. And then we see this every once in a while. It's an old way of saying minus. When it strictly says less 13, it means minus 13. So again, we'll read it from the top. It says, the difference of 5 times a number and m is the same as 5 times m less 13. Let's move to number 4. 10 subtracted from 11 times a number is the same as 9 more than twice the sum of 3 times a number and 2. So we break it up into the unnatural parts. 10 subtracted from. So it says you want to subtract 10. And the question is, from what? 11 times a number. I can represent that as 11x. The choice of the variable is arbitrary, meaning it's just whatever I want to use. Be careful in the directions. A lot of times the directions will tell you what variable to use. On this exercise, it's whatever you want. So as I read this, it says 10 subtracted from 11 times a number. So I call it x. Is the same as 9 more than. Now that's telling me I need to shift over and put plus 9. And then I'm wondering, 9 more than what? This is pretty complex here. There's a lot of stuff going on. So when I put the plus 9, I'm going to leave some space. I go plus 9 all the way over here. 9 more than twice the sum. Just like in the previous problems, when you see that double operation, 2 times the sum, it's calling for a parenthesis. It's saying go 2 times and then put a sum in there. 2 times the sum of 3 times a number. You do have to use the same letter, so we'll say 3x and 2 and 2. I'll read it from the top. 10 subtracted from 11 times a number is the same as 9 more than twice the sum of 3 times a number and 2.